morning, everybody. It's time for our Friday maths lesson. And today we're going to be doing some counting. But before we do, let's think, what did we learn yesterday? Yeah, we were looking at size, weren't we? We were using words like tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest, taller, shorter, tallest, shortest. They were our words from yesterday. Just to remind you then, so if we look at these two animals, which one is shorter? That's right, it's a sheep. Which one is taller? Obviously it has to be the cow. Now if we have more than two things to compare, here we go. Come on. Come back. Okay, here comes our hen. So now we have, let's count how many animals. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 animals. If we were to put them into size order, we could put the shortest here. And let's have a compare. The sheep is taller than the hen, so that one will go there. And the tallest of all is, which one? That's right, the cow. So out of these three animals, which one is the shortest? Yeah, it is. It's this one, isn't it? The hen. Which animal is the tallest? That's right, it is. It's the cow. Now, today we are going to be thinking a little bit more about our counting. There's a very posh word called cardinality. Cardinality just means that when you're counting, the last number that you say is the total amount that you have in that group. So, for example, here, when I count the animals, I've got 1, 2, 3. If I put them in a different order, will I still have 3? Why? That's right, I've not taken any away, I've not put any more in. So no matter how we look at these animals, we're always going to have 3 of them. Go like this, go 1, 2, 3. Okay, they wouldn't stand up like this, but that's not what we're looking at. We're looking at the number, so it's 1, 2, 3. Let's jump up. Boing, boing. Stand up, dead sheep. That's better. And here comes our cow. Hello, 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 everybody. Okay, now let's have a look if we can find any more animals in our farm. So how many again have we got? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. Along comes a friend. Who could it be? Let's have a look. Look what's coming. Let's have a look. What's it going to be? It's a pig. Hello, everybody. So let's see. How many have we got now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if we can find one more. If I find one more, how many animals will I then have? 2, 3, 4, 1 more, mate. Keep it in your head. Let's see. Any other animals coming to join us today? Nay. 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 Ooh, who could this be coming to join us? Nay, it's a horse. That's right, it's a horse. Come and join us. Nay. 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 It's a very lively horse as well. Let's count our animals now. Now, does it matter which animal I start to count from? No, because we're talking about the cardinality. We're saying that the last number we say is the amount in this group. So I'm going to start to count from the hen. Join in with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 animals in this group. And there will be 5 whether we put them in line. However we put them, there will always be 5. We've not taken any away. We've not added any more. So far, we have realised that no matter what a group of objects looks like and where we count from, the stopping number remains the same. Let's try it. Watch this. So on here, I've got 2 groups of gems. Now let's count this group together. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's count this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you notice about both groups? That's right, they've both got the same number. They both have 5 gems inside, and however we put them, each group will still have 5, because the number we stop at when counting is the number we have. I'm going to show you again. Let's start from here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to have a go with these. I find it sometimes a bit tricky. These are all a bit too close together, and that's often when my counting goes wrong. Sometimes when I see them so close together, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm not looking at them properly. I'm just not focusing. So often when I see a group together for counting, I like to spread them out a little bit, just to make it easier for my counting. Now when I do this, I should be able to count more accurately. Help me, please, with the counting. We'll see if we have still got the same number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number I stopped on is the amount that I have. How many was that? Hold on, 5. Okay. Now, I would like you to go and get 5 objects. It could be anything at all. They don't have to be the same objects. You could have anything that's around in your house. Go and do that now, and then when you're ready, oh no, not when you're ready, you need to press pause. Press pause, get your things, bring them back, and then press play. Have you got your 5 objects? How do you know that there are 5? And did you count them accurately? How do you know? That's right, because no matter where we count from, the stopping number is the amount we have in that group. And that is our focus. Your main job today is to experiment and investigate what you can do with the number 5. Now, I'm going to pretend that I am a farmer. I know you might find that hard to believe, but I can be a farmer if you would like me to. So I'm going to be a farmer today. And on my farm, I'm going to have some animals. Now I want to draw my animals in the fields that I'm going to draw. And that's what I'd be liking you to do today. So just let me get my drawing things and then we can see what I need. Just wait a minute. Here we go. So I've got my board. You can do this on a piece of paper, and if you haven't got any paper, maybe just use like the inside of a cardboard box. Anything that you've got to draw with, that doesn't matter. What you draw on isn't important, but what matters is how we do it. So I'm going to be a farmer today. I'm going to be a farmer, and I'm going to draw my fields. And here's one of my fields. This is a very square-shaped field. Here's another field. What shape's that one? That's my circular field, my circle. And then at the bottom of my farm, we've got a very long, thin field. A rectangular shaped field. I want to have some different animals in each of my fields. And I'm going to choose which ones. Now, in this field, I want to have 5 cows. Let's see if we can draw 5 cows. One, two, three, 4, 5. Look at that. Let's have a look together. Let's count them. Parents, drawing is not my strongest point. Okay, just bear with me. Let's count our animals. Let's count our animals in the field, shall we? Are you ready? Does it matter which animal I start to count from now? No, because the stopping number is the amount in the set in the group. Let's have a go. I'm going to start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I've got some more space to put some more animals in my farm. Now I'm going to draw some sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's 5. Let's have a go. Let's count them all together now, shall we? Are you ready with your counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there in this field? That's right, 5. Okay, now I'm going to stop my farmer talk for a minute because I'm not a farmer, I'm a teacher, and also, as you can see, don't give up the day job, Mr. Twig. Okay, so to make my picture really clear, if I'm feeling really super clever, I might actually have a go at writing the numeral to show how many animals are on this field. So let's remind ourselves, does it matter which one we count from? Why not? Good. Let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write the number, the numeral 5, and they are 5 cows. So I'm going to write. Okay, let's remind ourselves how many animals in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more makes. That's right, 5. So I'm going to write the numeral 5. And I'm going to write what they are, which are sheep. Okay. So your job is to go and make your farm and have a go at putting 5 animals in each of your fields. If you're pleased with what you've done and your parents can work out how to do this, get them to put the pictures on Evidence Me. That's our school communication with all of you. That's our website where you can put things on and we can share them. I'd love to see what you've done. Great. Thanks for your good listening. Enjoy making your farm. And if you want to try making your voice like a farmer, I'm sure you can do it much better than me. Okay, guys. Cheers. Bye. Have a good weekend. See you Monday.